Welcome to the 2-Minute SQL Tips. Want to summarize your data quickly and efficiently? The Group By clause in SQL is your go-to tool for breaking down data into meaningful groups. Let's explore how it works. And yes, we'll keep it short and simple. Group By determines what level of granularity of the output and is usually used together with aggregate functions. The level of granularity is represented by the columns in the select statement that are not aggregate functions. You can have group by one or more columns. The only requirement is that these same columns appear both as part of the select and as part of the group by. Here's an example. Imagine you have a table called sales_data with columns for region, product, and sales_amount. You want to see total sales by region. This is where group by comes in handy. This query groups the rows by region and calculates the total sales for each region. The result is a concise summary, like this. You now have a neat table showing total sales for each region. No more digging through rows manually. One common mistake is forgetting that every column in the select statement, except those used with aggregate functions, must appear in the group by clause. For example, this query will result in an error. Since product isn't part of an aggregate function, it must be included in the group by clause if you want to use it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2-minute SQL tips. See you next time.